Ever wondered how to crack the TikTok viral code? You tried everything, from dancing with your cat to Googling your way to fame. You spent days and nights thinking how to get more views, but you just can't get it. You bet this cat sitting in the toilet has more views and is going viral on TikTok. You are now thinking to do the same thing.
Here are 4 easy steps to get your first viral TikTok video. Posting 1 to 3 times a day on TikTok is helpful because it increases your chances of reaching a wider audience. TikTok's algorithm prioritizes fresh and engaging content, so frequent posting helps you stay visible on users' For You pages. Selecting the correct hashtags is crucial for a viral TikTok video because they help the algorithm understand what your content is about and who to show it to. The right hashtags can boost visibility, engagement, and ultimately, your chances of going viral. Selecting trending music is important for going viral on TikTok because the platform's algorithm often boosts videos that use popular sounds. It also helps place your video alongside others using the same sound, increasing your chances of being discovered by a larger audience. Not overthinking is important for creating a viral TikTok video because TikTok thrives on spontaneity and authenticity. TikTok users love relatable, genuine moments, and the platform rewards creativity over perfection.
Great! So post consistently, use trending music, pick the right hashtags, and most importantly, keep it simple and authentic.